In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google My Business to N8N so you can automate workflows and manage your business data more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick N8N guides. First, open N8N and head to the credentials section from the left sidebar. Click Create New, then select Google Business Profile as the credential type. For authentication, choose OAuth 2, the secure standard method. To set this up, you'll need to create OAuth credentials in the Google Cloud Console and make sure the Google Business Profile API is enabled for your project. Once that's ready, copy your client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. Then paste them into N8N's credential fields. Double check everything, hit save, and authenticate your account when prompted. That's it. Google My Business is now connected to N8N. You can automate updates, sync data with other apps, and simplify business management with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more automation tips.